Hi children, welcome to our chemistry class. In the last class, we discussed about mole concept. What is mean by mole? Yes, it's just a number. 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. It is a number. It is also known as Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. The term mole was introduced around 1896 by William Oswald, who derived this word from Latin. This is a Latin word which means heap or pile. Heap or pile. A substance may be considered as a heap of atoms or molecules. The unit of mole accepted in 1967 to provide a simple way of reporting large numbers. So, 1 mole, it is a number. It is used to calculate the number of atoms and molecules. And we said the mass of atom, that is called atomic mass. The mass of 1 mole of atom is known as molar mass. Molar mass means the mass of 1 mole of a substance. That may be atoms, molecules or ions. So, molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Molar mass. Molar mass. It is a mass of 1 mole of a substance. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. That may be atom or molecule or ions. We are calculating the atomic mass in atomic mass unit. Mass of atoms represented in or expressed in atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. Earlier days it is represented as AMU, but nowadays we are using it as symbol U. This is means atomic mass unit. This unit is used to express the mass of atoms. Okay. Molar mass means it is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. It is expressed in grams. It is expressed in grams or G. We are calculating the atomic masses of an element in atomic mass unit. In the same way, we can calculate the mass of 1 mole of a substance. Okay. It is same as to relative atomic mass or relative molecular mass. Molar mass is equal to, it is actually equal to relative atomic mass of an element, or it is the relative molecular mass of an element. That is, we have to take the same numerical value, but only we change its unit. When we calculate the molar mass, we are expressed that in grams. And when we are calculating the atomic mass, it is expressed in U. So, when we want to calculate the molar mass, that is expressed in G, its numerical value. The numerical value of both atomic mass and molar mass is same, but its unit are different. For calculating atomic mass, we are using atomic mass unit as its unit. and for molar mass its unit is gram. Okay, molecular mass also we expressed in atomic mass unit. Molecular mass, that also we expressed in atomic mass unit. Molar mass is also known as gram atomic mass. It is also known as gram atomic mass because this is same as to the atomic mass, but it expressed in gram. That is why it is also known as gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. Okay. So, molar mass we are calculated in grams. Here, the atomic mass of hydrogen. Hydrogen is an atom. Its mass is equal to 1 atomic mass unit. Hydrogen is an atom. Its mass is equal to, atomic mass of hydrogen atom equal to 1 atomic mass unit. Molar mass of hydrogen atom also 1, but it expressed in gram. That is only the difference in between atomic mass and molar mass. Molar mass means it is the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom. Molar mass means it is the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom. But atomic mass means it is the mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. Atomic mass means atomic mass of hydrogen equal to 1 AMU. It means it is the mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. It is the mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. It is the mass of 1 atom of hydrogen. But molar mass of hydrogen equal to mass of 1 mole of hydrogen atom. Listen, atomic mass is the mass of 1 atom. But molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of atoms. So here hydrogen's atomic mass is 1 AMU or 1 atomic mass unit. And molar mass of hydrogen is 1 gram. Okay. Similarly, carbon. Carbon is another element. Its atomic mass is 12 atomic mass unit. Carbon is another element. Its atomic mass is 12 atomic mass unit. Its molar mass equal to 12 gram. 12 gram. Molar mass of carbon is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms. It is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms, that is equal to 12 gram. The numerical value is same for both ones. It's only difference with their expression or they are expressed in different way. Atomic mass is expressed in atomic mass unit, but molar mass that or gram atomic mass is expressed in grams. Okay. Then nitrogen. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? Nitrogen atom. It is 14 atomic mass unit. But its molar mass. is equal to 14 gram. Okay. So, nitrogen is another element. Its atomic mass is 14 atomic mass unit. And its molar mass is equal to 14 gram. Then what about molecules? Mass of molecule is the molecular mass. Molecular mass is the mass of molecules. Then water is a molecule. Its molecular mass is molecular mass of water. Water is a compound. It contains many molecules. Molecular mass of 1 molecule of water is 18 AMU. That we already calculated. The molecular mass of water means the mass of one molecule of water. The mass of one molecule of water equal to 18 atomic mass unit. Then molar mass of that molecule. Molar mass is same as molecular mass, but it is expressed in gram. So, molecular mass of one molecule of water is 18 AMU, 18 atomic mass unit, but the molecular mass or not molecular mass, molar mass of 1 mole of molecules of water is 18 gram. Here also its numerical values are same, but they are expressed in different ways. So, molar mass means it is the mass of 1 mole of atoms or molecules or ions. It is expressed in gram. It is also known as gram atomic mass. It is also known as gram atomic mass.